Imagine having a smart friend who never sleeps, remembers everything, and is always eager to help you succeed. That's what generative AI can be for you. Let me show you how this technology transforms from buzzword to your daily advantage. 1. Building stronger relationships. Remember that time when a friend remembered your birthday, favorite coffee order, and that story you told months ago? That's how AI helps businesses care for their clients. For example, a local gym used AI to notice when members were losing motivation, just like an attentive trainer would, and sent personalized workout suggestions. Result? Their retention jumped 40% because people felt truly understood. Story: Sarah, a real estate agent, was struggling to keep in touch with past clients. She used AI to analyze their interests and life events, sending personalized check-ins like, "Hey Tom, saw your neighborhood is hosting a food festival. Reminded me of our conversation about your love for street food." Her referral business doubled within months. 2. Leveling up your game. Think of AI as your personal coach with perfect memory. Like having a tennis coach who remembers every serve you've ever made and helps you improve specifically where you need it. Real example. A sales team at a software company was hitting a wall with their pitches. They used AI to analyze successful sales calls and practice different scenarios. Just like a flight simulator for pilots, they could try different approaches without real-world consequences. Within 3 months, their conversion rate improved by 30%. 3. Making success. Feel good. Remember how different teachers motivated different students? Some thrived with gold stars, others with quiet praise. AI helps personalize motivation similarly. Practical example: a customer service team replaced generic Employee of the Month with AI-suggested personalized achievements. Maria got recognized for her patience in difficult calls, while John was celebrated for his quick problem-solving. Team satisfaction jumped because everyone felt seen for their unique strengths. 4. Sparking better ideas. Like having a brainstorming partner who's read every book ever written and never runs out of energy. Story: a small coffee shop owner used AI to reimagine their menu. Instead of just asking, "What new drinks should we add?" they asked, "How might we serve coffee if we were on Mars?" This playful prompt led to their hit Zero Gravity Float, a layered drink that became an Instagram sensation. 5. Working smarter together. Think of AI as your collaborative whiteboard that never runs out of space and helps connect dots you might miss. Real-world impact. A teacher used AI to generate different explanations for complex math concepts, like relating algebra to video games for some students and cooking for others. Her class's engagement soared because every student could relate to the explanations in their own way. Why this matters for you, whether you're running a business, managing a team, or working on personal goals, AI can be your always available partner in thinking bigger and achieving more. It's like having a Swiss Army knife for your brain, ready to help with whatever challenge you're facing. Remember, just as calculators didn't replace mathematicians but made them more powerful, AI won't replace human creativity and judgment. Instead, it amplifies your natural abilities and helps you see possibilities you might have missed. The key is starting small. Next time you face a challenge, try asking AI what-if questions, just like you'd brainstorm with a trusted friend. You might be surprised at the doors it opens. This approach makes AI feel less like distant technology and more like a practical tool for everyday success, helping readers connect it to their own experiences and goals.